Hey guys, we're in Plano, Texas today. We are out here. We installed our premium Hercules standing seam system on this pergola. So check out the backyard here. You've got this beautiful new modern pool with the fountains, and you see how we had this U. Let me get you with this U shape. You've got a U shape backyard. So, you've got this U shape outdoor living area, and the sun's setting over there. We've got this pool here. The client wanted to build an area to which they could cover, they could hang out, rain or shine, put a fire pit down underneath, put an outdoor kitchen area. You've got yourself a grill there, be able to just relax, mount up a television. So here's what we got here. So pergola, 6x6 beams. We did not build this pergola. I don't know who did, but it's new. Those looks like 2x6s. They're running 16 foot. So you like to see those as a 2x8, but it is what it is. Here's what we got here, guys. This is about 24 foot wide, and they're 16 foot extended out. So we have 16 foot long polycarbonate standing seam, our Hercules system. They were 16 foot long panels, 2 foot by 2 foot. And as you can see, now that I'm underneath this, the sun is shining. It's a good, it's gonna be like 75 today in Dallas, 76 degrees today in Dallas. Out there in the sun, actually a drastic temperature reduction down underneath here compared to where I was standing in the sun. But let's talk a little bit about this system. So this is the bronze system. So when you have the bronze system, you think, oh my gosh, it's bronze, it might be too dark. Look behind me. This light, that's a lot of light to let in. This is actually blocking 70% of the light. And so it's only letting through 30% of the light, but look at how bright it is. So clients love covering their pergolas with our systems because, one, they're commercial grade roofing systems. These aren't just, your single wavy polycarbonate stuff you get at Home Depot or Lowe's. This stuff is used on stadiums. It's used over in Europe, over in South America, natatoriums, observatories, like big commercial grade awnings. We do this stuff all over the country and sell this product. And then, we built it down and we said, let's do some residential stuff. Let's do some pergolas. And so we really started creating these pergola covers and really diving into it 2 years ago. And so let me tell you the benefits about the bronze Hercules system, okay? The premium standing seam Hercules system. It has 4 walls of polycarbonate. So 4 walls of polycarbonate on our Sky Poly systems. It is UV coated on the top side. So the top side has a hardcore intense UV coating. It will not brittle, it will not yellow, it will not break over time. It's going to last, and it's guaranteed to last in the sun. Let me see if I can get some shots here. It is wind rated at 125 miles an hour. It has a snow load rating of 40 PSF. So 40 PSF, not going to be a problem in the north snow. It's going to drop temperatures 15 degrees in the summertime, so you will have a 15-degree temperature drop in here. Biggest thing I would say too is that you've got a living room. Check us out behind me. So we got a lot of windows. Okay, we have a lot of windows here. Look at all the windows. So you've got a master bedroom over here. You've got a living room over here. You got a dining room. You have the stairs going up here. All this living space has these windows, and it can get hot. Well, when you have this product, when the sun is here, this is going to drop the temperatures. It's going to keep the inside of your house cool, and that's a big benefit. So other than just being able to hang out and have a roof that lets through a ton of light, which is the obvious awesome feature of this thing, you've also got all these great other attributes that make it very beneficial. The UV coating as well. I want to let you guys know that UV coating on the top side, is going to protect your pergola. It's going to protect your pergola for an extra 10 years from, UV rays, and so it's going to extend the life of your pergola. And so this is going to last a lot longer. It's not going to have to get restained as often. But again, there's just nothing cooler than, having a roof that is clear, that lets light through, and that keeps your outdoor living area light and bright. So if you had shingles, you built a patio cover here, it's going to get dark underneath, and it's going to make the inside of your house that much darker. But when you have a roof that lets through as much light as this. Not only does it bring nature in and it's just a cool feature, but you've got this really special deal where, hey, my house is not gonna be warm. It's not gonna be, not only warm, it's not gonna be dark. And so those are the benefits, man. You know, just message us on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. Cover Your Pergola, our Sky Poly systems, the Hercules, and that's our premium system, and the standard Apollo is our other system. But we'd love to chat with you guys about covering your pergola, man. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day.